Okay, so we're back with another brand new product. This time we're checking out the SCAPADE's AirPass. This is their trackable, portable passport wallet. This is designed for people that either constantly misplace their passport or they're feeling a little anxious taking away on vacation. They don't want to lose it in the middle of their trip. This is a great way to make sure to keep your attention on what's going on with your devices while also being a very premium way to store your passport and other items. Let's open this up and talk a little bit more about it. What's really cool about this is it does utilize the Apple Find My app, which is really a solid network and very helpful and usable. And oh my goodness, look at how beautiful this is. That is just a really slim and just very cool passport folder. Let's see if there's anything else in here. All right, we've got your little mini guide and a couple cards, which is nice. So in here, you have a lot of really cool things. For one, you've got spots for cards, for identifications, and you've also got a spot here for, say, for instance, your airline tickets. There is a little, it feels like a magnet right here in this lip that does come down and seal, so that way this won't be an open flap. You've got your check button, you can just squeeze right there. That'll basically chirp the device, which is really nice. And then you've got an LED indicator right under this flap here that'll tell you how its status is. So say you've got your passport here, you would just take the back end of the passport and just snugly slide it in there. And now your passport is inside this little wallet. This little clamp on top of it, this little fabric clamp, it's really, really cool. And again, if you want to access that button to push to find where your phone is, if you lost it, to toggle it, or also to see the LED light, you just pull that right out. But it's just really easy to just set that right up. And like I said, because you can put your travel paperwork, your IDs in here, you can have just a one item go-to device that you then have in your pocket at the airport and not have to worry about losing what's important, what you need for travel, and then also keeping you safe on the journey as well, which is awesome. If you want to recharge the device, it is MagSafe. So you just take this and place it onto a MagSafe charger. That will basically put juice back into it. And it does have 5 to 6 months of battery life in one charge, which is solid for your ability with the Find My app, and the ability to recharge is also really cool. So you do have those options with this, giving you a device that not only will be convenient but also last you quite some time and not have to worry about it dying on a journey. Now if you're taking a journey that's more than 6 months, bring a QI charger or bring like your MagSafe device that can charge through your phone. That'd be a really great way to do so, or a MagSafe battery pack. All these are just really good options for recharging it. But again, I feel safer traveling knowing that my passport is a thing I can find. It's very helpful. So let's show you how the app works a little bit, and we'll be right back. Hope you guys found it interesting. Hope you guys pick this up for yourself as well. And we will see you guys next time.